Today I'm going to show you how to create the Swarovski snowman earrings. To start with, use a silver-plated ear wire, 4mm cube, 6mm square rondelle, 6mm round, 4mm rondelle, 8mm round, and 10mm round. All of those beads go on this 2-inch silver-plated head pin. So to begin with, take your head pin, put the 10mm round on, the 8mm round, the little rondelle, 6mm round, the 6mm flat rondelle, and the 4mm cube. So you can see how cute your little snowman's going to look. Take the head pin, bend it over, flush against the top of that 4mm square as you can. Trim it to about 3/8 of an inch. Take your round nose pliers. I like to give a little twist up just to give me more to grab a hold of. Roll the head pin up. Then take your flat nose pliers. Twist it open. Put your ear wire on. Twist it closed. Check it to make sure everything is aligned okay. And there you have your snowman earring. Now you just need to make the second one.